Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are doing something fun. Not with the S4. I'm wearing the B9 S4 shirt from 034, but we're doing something fun with the S5. As you guys can probably tell, probably why you clicked on the video, we have a new tune on this thing. It is the E85 tune from 034 Motorsport. We're doing like a formal review. I feel like we don't do this normally on the channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, want to see more reviews, stuff like this, hit subscribe, stick around. We just did stage 2 on my S4. On the 93 file, should we do a cold start inside? I think the answer is yes. Here we go. There is so much confetti in this car still from the rally. Oh my God, this thing sounds crazy. I'm actually gonna be meeting Evan today to do the review. I gotta make sure the draggy is here, or if it's already in the car. One sec. The draggy's in the car. That's gonna be one of the most important things we're measuring in today's video. Just a little spoiler, we'll get into that in a bit. Like I said, gonna be driving up, meeting Evan, and doing a formal review of this car. I'm not gonna drive crazy on the way there. Let's see how we are. I got 170 miles in gas. Should be good for the day. Let's go over all of the modifications that are on the car currently, because I always get asked questions like this. All the links for the installs will be in the description as far as like the videos, but just to quickly run through them, this car has the 034 P34 intake, Carbon Lab downpipe, AWE cold front intercooler, 034 rear sway bar and end links. Now it has the stage 2 E85 tune and the AWE track exhaust. So that's why this car is so freaking loud. It's insane. But in comfort mode, it's honestly not too horrible. A little bit drony here and there, but it's a race car at this point. This car also has 20-inch Rohana wheels. They are the RFX, which looks so awesome on this gray. What's the biggest difference that you've noticed since switching to the E85 tune from the 93 octane file?
It just feels like there's a lot more available power. I mean, I know you can feel that. It just really feels like it's pushing when you're on the throttle so much more than it did on 93. And the draggy numbers show that as well. It is definitely significantly quicker on the E85 file.
Yeah, I can tell just by being a passenger for
just the
2
way
minutes.
It feels like it's pushing into your back through the seat is completely different than how it felt on 93. Bumps it up to like 616 torque or something.
Jeez, is it that high?
I'm sure you'll put the
we'll take a look.
Power figures on the screen, but yeah, I think it's over 600 torque, and you can definitely feel it, and it's awesome. But it still feels totally manageable and super drivable, just like on the 93, which we obviously really enjoy.
was easy. I drove over here in like comfort mode basically the entire time because
Yeah.
I was chilling it out. Wanted to conserve our fuel for today's activities, but it was very easy.
Gas mileage isn't too much worse than it is on 93, and the gas is cheaper. What I really would like to do is the P3 boost gauge with an ethanol content sensor. It's a really good way to know actually how much ethanol you're running.
And those big front brakes helping out from 0 through 4 again.
Amazing brakes. Oh, that's fast. Oh, those brakes are so cool. I just smoked them out.
That's fast. Well, it's certainly a noticeable difference with the E85. I think that we got some good draggy runs. If you guys enjoyed, want to see more of this car, maybe some fun stuff planned. Won't say too much. Stick around. You're going to want to subscribe to see what we come up with. Lots more on the way. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you.